If you want to export high-quality video in CapCut PC without getting hit with pro prompts, this video will show you the exact settings to use so you can keep your export free and still get the best possible result. This is super useful if you want cleaner video, sharper detail, and smoother playback for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut and video editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's go step by step. First, open your project inside CapCut PC and make sure your edit is finished. Before exporting, it is always a good idea to quickly review your timeline and check for anything that might trigger a pro restriction. Look through your effects, transitions, filters, stickers, text styles, and enhancements. If you see anything marked with a pro label, remove it or replace it with a free alternative. This is important because even if your export settings are correct, a pro element in the timeline can still block the export or force a paid prompt. Once your project is clean, go to the top right corner and click the Export button. This opens the Export Settings panel, where you can choose the most important quality options. The first setting you want to adjust is resolution. For most videos, select 1080p. This is the best balance between high quality and manageable file size, and it matches the standard quality of most source footage. If your original clips were recorded in 1080p, exporting in 1080p helps preserve the sharpness of the footage. Just remember, if your source video is not 4K, upscaling it to 4K will not magically make it look better. It usually just creates a larger file without improving actual clarity. Next, find the bitrate setting. By default, CapCut may suggest a recommended setting, but if you want better quality, change it to higher. This is one of the most important settings for a clean export. A higher bitrate helps keep details intact, reduces compression artifacts, and prevents your video from looking blurry or pixelated, especially during motion fast cuts or scenes with a lot of detail. If you care about professional-looking playback, this is a setting you definitely do not want to leave on the lowest option. Now move to the codec setting and choose H.264. This is one of the most widely used codecs for video exporting because it gives you a great balance between quality, compression, and compatibility. In simple terms, it helps keep your video looking good while making sure it plays properly on most devices and platforms. If you are uploading to YouTube or sharing the video online, H.264 is usually the safest and most reliable choice. After that, set the format to MP4. MP4 is the most universal video format and works across almost every platform you can think of. It compresses efficiently, keeps file sizes reasonable, and is supported by YouTube, social media apps, mobile devices, and desktop players. If you want a simple export format that just works, MP4 is the way to go. Then, check the frame rate setting. You should match this to your original footage as closely as possible. If your source clips were shot in 30 frames per second, export at 30 frames per second if they were shot in 60 frames per second. Matching the frame rate helps keep motion smooth and avoids weird stuttering or frame conversion issues. This is especially important for gameplay, fast movement, talking head videos with motion graphics, or any edit where smooth playback matters. Once your main export settings are in place, take one more look at the project to make sure there are no premium tools active. CapCut's newer free versions sometimes place certain enhancements behind Pro access, especially AI tools like AI Ultra HD or premium video enhancement features. If any of those are turned on, switch them off before exporting. For a completely free export, stick to the standard settings only and avoid anything that tries to upgrade your footage through a paid feature. At this point, your export setup should be clean, free, and optimized for quality. Now click Export and let CapCut render the final file. Depending on the length of your video and your computer's performance, this may take a little time. For the best results, avoid using your computer heavily while the export is running, so CapCut can focus on rendering smoothly. After the export finishes, check your file and watch a short section back to make sure the quality looks right. Look for sharp text, smooth motion, and clean edges. If the file looks too compressed, go back and make sure your bitrate was set to higher and that you match the correct resolution and frame rate. In most cases, those few settings make the biggest difference in export quality. So to quickly recap, the best free high-quality export settings in CapCut PC are 1080p resolution, higher bitrate H.264 codec, MP4 format, and the same frame rate as your source footage. Also, remember to remove any pro elements and keep paid AI tools turned off so your export stays free. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and drop a comment if you want more editing tips for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.